press channel. Today we have hockey puck for our press. My wife really thinks that the press cannot break the hockey puck, and I am very confident that our press will crush this hockey puck. Let's see. It was quite a tight match, but the press wins and the hockey puck lose, and I think I really need some kind of blast shield for the next thing like this. The hockey puck exploded. It's kind of when you're trying to fold that paper. Yeah. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. For extra content of today we have spider. My wife said that it's very venomous and dangerous and it may attack at any time, so we must deal with it.